is Top 5 Bird here, and welcome back to another video today! We haven't been in this spot for a long time, so today I'm going to be here, whenever we did the trumpet notes, the recorder notes, that was a long time ago, so today I'm kind of going to do something like that, but not really the same. I'm going to be doing weird noises, which I don't know, but let's hop right into it. First off, of course, you know what it is. Try to guess. You have 5 more seconds. 10, 1, 0. It's the trumpet. Going to be playing. Try to guess that noise. Let's do this. So probably a lot of you thought I was playing Minecraft like right next, like this. But no, I wasn't. This is what I was doing. See, that sounds similar like that noise was before. So yeah, that's what it was. Yeah, maybe I'll do probably 3 little sessions of that in this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed that, and yeah. This weird noise is the last little turned out to be which I'm going to be doing now. Next, weird noises. To guess that song. Ping Pong Sing Song. A lot of Nintendo fans probably thought that was pretty simple. It was dun 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 dun. That one's pretty simple. All it is Mario. Like here's another thing. Can you touch your tongue to your nose? I can. That was your second session of the weird, well, not weird noises, just trying to guess what I'm making a noise of. So, yeah. Now I'm going to be doing another weird noise, so this is what it is. I'm trying to play the drum. That doesn't work there. Let me just do it here. I'm gonna do it on my legs. Never Magic Koopa. Look, like totally, there's never Magic Koopa. Look, there it is. Another weird noise. Little not funny faces. Definitely not. Here's the last. Try to guess that what I'm doing. Let's do this. Guys, you might not believe me right now, but this is what I was doing. Didn't sound exactly like that. Like, rewind like 10-20 seconds right now, and yeah, you'll see. Yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave a like down below if you want to check that out, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace!